Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to buy Hytale game step by step. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. All you have to do is to go to the main website for hytale.com, just like that. Once you are here, you're greeted with the main page and a button that says purchase. But before you buy the game, you should create an account. So go to the top right section where you can see the button that says register and then click on it right here. Once you click on register, it's going to complete your security check and then offer you many options, including Discord, Epic Games, Google, Microsoft, Twitch, or sign up with a normal email. So choose whatever you are most comfortable with, even by its normal email, fill your email address with it fully, and then click on sign up. Then it's going to redirect it to your own email so that you can verify and just follow the steps. Once you have done it, then all you have to do is to click on the login button after it redirects right here. And as you can see, now we are on our account. All you have to do now from here is to go to the main website, so the game. And now from here, it's showing us the game itself and all the details about it. And so once you scroll all the way down, you're going to see a button that's going to say purchase to join the Hytale community. Once you click on purchase, it's going to redirect you now to the next page where it's going to offer you packages. There is an early access available for the standard, supporter, or curse breaker edition. So I would recommend to either go for supporter, or if you'd like the full complete package, then go to course breaker, but you can check what each one provides in benefits. Once that is done and you click on purchase, go for whatever you want and then make sure that you are purchasing under the correct email. If the email is wrong, then make sure to switch your account. Now, if this game is already done, then you can just select on whatever you want, click on I understand. Then from here, it's going to load you to the main page. And once you are done from here, it's going to show you this confirmation for the order. You can select whatever payment method you would like, such as Visa, Google Pay, PayPal, or PaySafe card. And once you choose whatever is good for you, you're going to fill in your name and add the card number. And once that is done, you're going to click on pay and you're good to go. Once your purchase is done, all you have to do is to click on the download button right here. Then you're going to make sure to download for Windows. And then once you open the launcher and download it, it's going to redirect to this website and it will log you in automatically. And that is pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.